My name is Jessica and I have no idea what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be testing out the new NYX Epic Wear Liner Sticks. They came out maybe a couple months ago, but I'm kind of not sure about the colors because I feel like this one, I bought Chill Blue and Fierce Purple, and I feel like Fierce Purple was new but Chill Blue wasn't. I don't know. Either way, I'm going to be trying them out today. So I'm going to start with Chill Blue. That's pretty. That is my kind of blue. Like the frosty periwinkle kind of shade. This eye is primed. This eye is not. No eyeshadow today. I'm just going to see how these apply. Okay, there is actually something happening without me having to tug my eye. Okay, and that was the primed eye. And what about the non-primed eye? Oops. I'm not really an eyeliner person, so the sloppiness is not the fault of the eyeliner. I like that. Good so far. Now I'm going to try the Fierce Purple, which a little hard to tell like this, but it looks more of like a true purple, blue purple satin. Do you see that? Look. No tugging. I'm just trying to blend that into the blue a little bit, which I'll probably just do with my finger. Okay, and I think I'm gonna try like a little wing. See how that goes. That did not go the best, but that's not the fault of the eyeliner, that's me. I'm just happy that it's actually coming off without me having to tug it. Oh no. Alright, I think I should stop here before I make it all the worse. But yeah, I'm happy with that so far. I'm going to now do the same thing on my lower lash line. And I'm also going to do it on my waterline. Okay, I mean, it's there, but this one may not be good for the waterline. And let me try the purple. Again, it's there, but not great. Let me just see if I warm it up on my hand a little bit. No, not much happening on the waterline with these. So that's kind of unfortunate, but I mean, I think you saw how well they did apply on my eyes without me having to tug my eyes. So I'm going to see how these wear, and then I'm going to come back another day in the same video and try it over eyeshadow. And just so you can see, this is the Fierce Purple. And this is the Chill Blue. I like that. Also, I just want to add that when I curled my lashes, you know, with the eyelash curler, the eyeliner didn't smudge due to being pressed against this, so that's a good thing because that happens to me a lot. Also, these swatches won't come off my hand with just soap and water, so I'm guessing that's a good thing for the eyes. Alright, so I'm back. Today I'm going to try the eyeliners over eyeshadow to see if they will go over easily. I'm going to start with Chill Blue. I'm basically going to do the same thing that I did the other day, just over eyeshadow. The eyeliners did hold up pretty well. I mean, they weren't perfect. I would say maybe over here, like where my eyes had watered, it had kind of bunched up a little bit, but overall I think it was very good. Oh my god, and look, it's basically going right over. In fact, I feel like it's going over better than it did without anything underneath. Maybe I'm just getting used to it too. And I'm gonna go down here as well. The only thing I wasn't impressed with was, of course, the waterline. It wore off kind of, but I mean, there wasn't much on there to begin with. Maybe I'll just try the purple on the waterline today and see if that makes any difference. And I'll even tilt my eye a little bit. I feel like it's better over here, not as much over here. Why is there always construction going on around here? And then I'm just going to do the outside with, I guess, a little wing again. Now this color is kind of close to the eyeshadow I have on, so... What is that? Oops. Okay, we're going for a double wing today, I guess. Wow. Pay no attention to that. Just look at how nicely the eyeliner is gliding. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit with my finger into the blue. We're not gonna pay any attention to these wings. I don't know what happened. If it was pointed, maybe I would have ended up a little better. It did wear down somewhat quickly because I only used this the other day and now today. I heard that you can sharpen these with a regular eyeliner pencil sharpener, even though this feels like plastic. I don't think I even have one. I think I'll have to get one. But I can say that I am very impressed with how these go on the eyes, both without eyeshadow underneath and with eyeshadow underneath. I'm disappointed about the waterline wear and application. So I think it depends on what you want to do with these. I was hoping for both like that it would go nicely on the waterline and on the lid, but what can you do? I think these are trying to be comparable to the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliners. Those did apply. I have tried one. I tried the one of the black ones because there's like a few different black eyeliners. That's a little bit mind-boggling to someone who rarely wears black eyeliner, but it applied creamily. Is that a word? But I felt like it moved around during the day, both off of my waterline and my lash line, and also I had an allergic reaction to it, like my eyes were all irritated. So I wasn't a fan of that. I think these also might be trying to compete with the gel eyeliners from ColourPop. I can't say anything about them though because I've never tried them. I've heard that they are very good on the waterline, but I've also heard that they're not so great on the lash lines. So, like I said, I can't speak for that, but it seems like the NYX eyeliner and the ColourPop eyeliner might be two opposite eyeliners, and that these NYX eyeliners may be close to the Urban Decay ones, but perhaps minus the application and staying power on the waterline. As per usual, depends on what you're looking for, but I can say that I'm very happy with how these performed on the lash lines, and there are definitely a lot of colors to choose from. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a good day no matter what it is you're doing. Bye. See you next time.